What's up guys, welcome to the new video. Today we will finally do something with the speedometer. As you can see, I have managed to fix the middle display. Basically I got another one from my cousin who also has Astra, but he has 4-door version, and I switched the middle display with the one that he gave me and changed the light bulbs to LED strips, and as you can see it's still bright outside and I can clearly see the temperature, the time, and it lights bright, so it's good. And the good thing is that changing brightness works as well. The other thing is that I did the same with this climate control panel, but that's not the thing that we are focusing on today. Now I will take out the speedometer and I will tell you what we are gonna do. I have here like this small set of beads wrench, and I'm gonna take this out. I don't think I'm gonna show you the whole thing because there are only few screws and there are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to remove the speedometer in Opel Astra. So I see you guys when I take this out. I have my speedometer taken out. Now we are going to take it apart and plan the whole LED thing, but first we need to clean a little because it's extra messy in there. Okay, so I've already disassembled the speedometer. As you can see, I removed the fuel needle and the temperature needle, and I will show you how I'm doing it. You need to be careful and take a fork, slide under it, and slowly pull up. You will hear pop,
Macie going crazy.
and now you can take off your needle. There are like these little tips that are holding the black plate, so we need to push it up on this side and we should be able to slide it a little bit so it pops out from these little plastic things. There are two more plastic pieces on these sides too. Right there and right there. Now we have our inside, and what we're gonna do is, I think, remove this plastic thing. There is like this cover, because I think it's only used for diffusing the light from the light bulbs. As you can see, every light bulb is connected to this plastic thing. So we will remove this. Next, we need to cut into the plastic. So I have like pretty thick LED stripe. So if I wanna fit this in here, I will need to cut into the plastic. But we will figure this out. Okay, so now it looks like this. Here we have the motherboard, and as previous with the middle display and the climate control panel, I will solder the LED stripes to the exact same spots where the light bulbs are contacting to the motherboard. I've looked around and it looks like this whole inner thing doesn't have any mounting points or some other things that are important. So I think that I'm gonna go with solder, and I have here some very thin copper wires, and I will try to melt it around and then grind it by hand so it will be smooth. I finished cutting this, and now you can see that our LED strip will fit in there. Okay, so the last result was disgusting. I remade everything. As you can see, I threw out these bottle caps. These were too big. But I got like this LED. It looked like this. And yeah, it was shining bright, but it looked very badly. So I remade this. We will see now. We finally made it. I'm not 100% satisfied with the results, but I'm so tired. I was battling this speedometer for like 3 days. I went to work. When I came back from work, I immediately started working on the speedometer. Went back to sleep, go to work and repeat for 3 days, but we got it, and damn, it's bright. Look at this. Look at this. I have brightness set for the minimum in my phone and brightness set on the minimum on the dashboard. And look at this. Now it's so bright, along with the middle display and this AC panel. It's looking great. From this point I'm gonna end this video because maybe you can see I'm really tired. I was fighting with this speedometer for like 3 days, but I'm really happy that it's finally done and I can move on with next things. We will see what we're gonna do next with this car. The one thing with the interior lights left is the panel on my left side. It's a panel. It's light switch panel. It's headlight switch panel. So it's the only part that there are original light bulbs left. So we will fight with that too. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this effect. And see you guys in the next video.